Welcome to today's video, where we're going to be talking about how to build your passive income. Passive income is a way to earn money without actively working for it. It's a great way to supplement your regular income or to work towards financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's get started.
The first way to build passive income is through dividend investing. Dividend investing involves investing in companies that pay out dividends, which are a portion of their profits. By investing in these companies, you can earn a regular income from the dividends they pay out.
Another way to build passive income is through rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can earn a regular income from the rent payments. However, it's important to note that being a landlord does come with its own set of responsibilities, such as maintenance and finding tenants.
The third way to build passive income is through creating and selling informational products. This can include writing in a book, creating an online course, or starting a blog. By creating content that people find valuable and are willing to pay for, you can earn a passive income. The sales of your products.
So there you have it, 3 ways to build your passive income. Of course, these methods require time and effort to set up, but they can provide a great source of income in the long run. Remember, building passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to work towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Check out video description.